Operators in Java. Operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. So operations example, we can take some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then if you want to compare some variables, whether which is bigger, which is smaller, so everything is like a operations only. So for that purpose we are using this operators. Now let's see about types of operators, its category and precedence. Along with that we'll see some examples for that. First operator, unary. Category for unary is postfix and prefix. Postfix, how we can write is expression plus plus or expression minus minus. Example, int var1 equal to 5. So here we have taken one variable called var1 and we have assigned 5 value to that. Now var1 plus plus. So here we are postfixing that. So now what will happen means value will be displayed first, that is 5 will be displayed first and then it will get incremented to 6. Then prefix. Prefix, how we can write means plus plus expression or minus minus expression, like that we can write. So here we are doing plus plus var1, that means value is incremented and then displayed. So now here 6 will be displayed. Relational. Relational operator, it is used for checking the relationship between the variables. We can see here equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. So these are all used for checking the relationship between the variables. For example, we have taken int a is equal to 7, b is equal to 20 and we are comparing a greater than b, like that we are checking. So here 7 is greater than 20, no, so it is giving us false. Then b greater than a we are checking, so it is true. So like that we can check the relationship. Then arithmetic operators, it is classified as multiplicative, additive. So under multiplicative we have star, division or modulus operator we have. Example for that is int a equal to 12, b is equal to 5. So here we are doing a star b. So this will give us 60. We are multiplicating that. Then additive. For additive we have plus minus. So a plus b we can do. This will give us 17. Let's see some more operators. Logical operator. So category for that is logical and logical OR. And how to write that is and then OR symbol, that is pipe symbol we need to use. Example, 5 greater than 3 and then 8 greater than 5. How this logical AND will be working means if both the given conditions are true, then it will give us true as output. Otherwise it will be false. So here it will be checking 5 greater than 3 is true and 8 greater than 5, that is also true. So both the conditions are true, it is giving us true as output. Then logical OR, 5 less than 3 or 8 greater than 5. So logical OR, how it will be working means if any one of the condition is true means then it will give us true. So here 5 less than 3 it is false, 8 greater than 5 it is true. So one condition is true. So it is giving us true as output. Then ternary operator. How to write ternary operator means we need to write condition first, then one question mark. After question mark we need to keep what it should print when it is true and what it should do when it is false. Example, string result equal to a greater than b. So that is the condition we are checking and question mark kept. After that a is bigger. So it should print a is bigger when it is true or not. If it fails then we should print b is bigger. So next the assignment operator. Assignment means it is like we are assigning values to the variables. More than that we can do some other operators also like plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, divide equal to, like that some more operations also we can do. So here int a is equal to 4 is assigning value like 4 to a. Then int b is equal to a means here we are assigning a's value to b.